Hi, welcome to Namaste Yoga. Today I'll be showing you basic sequence, very effective, very beneficial way to finish up your yoga set. So let's begin. Come sitting pose, pull the fleshy part to the sides, inhale, reach up, and exhale, forward fold, grabbing the toes, and let the head be heavy, relax completely the neck. And breathe into the stretch, long deep breaths. Roll the shoulders down the back, away from the ears. And slowly come out of it, roll up, place the palms into the floor, lift your hips up, bridge pose, lifting, head back, breathe deeply, the hips lifted, and relax. Setu Asana, back to sitting pose, 90-degree angle. Come up onto your knees, prepare for camel pose. Pressing your hands into your lower back, sacrum area. Press the hips towards the front of the room. Bring your hands to the heels and press the hips forward and lift the heart center and chest up towards the sky. Hips forward. Good. And slowly come out of it. Practice laying down on our back and nose to knees pose, rolling in the ball, squeeze, 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 and slowly relax. Bring the feet up behind you. Use the hands to hold up your lower back, kidney area. Bring your feet into the air. Weight onto the shoulders, chin close to the chest. Shoulder stand. Breathe here. Long deep breaths. And slowly lower the right leg behind your head, toes to the floor, and then the left leg. Interlock the fingers and stretch the hands and feet in opposite direction. Coming into plow pose. Close your eyes, breathe here. Breathe. And you can stay in these postures as long as you want. Longer, better. When you're ready, roll down one vertebra at a time. Bring your legs to the floor. Bring your hands underneath your sacrum. And with your elbows, lift your chest and place the top of the head onto the floor. Fish pose. You can release the hands interlocked over the belly, and if you like, you can raise your feet into the air. Flying fish. Breathe long, deep breaths, filling your chest full of prana. And exhale, release. Come lying on your back. Palms facing up. Close your eyes, relax everything. Completely letting go.